My bottom gussets need to be a length of 11 1/4 inches. This will allow those pieces to fit behind the face frame at the bottom of the project, hidden away where they cannot be seen. The end of my board has a couple issues. Number one, it is not square, so I need to make sure to square this up on the miter saw first. Additionally, I have a corner that doesn't look very good. However, this is not an issue because if I lay out both of those gussets, I might not even get to that corner. Additionally, since this will be planed down to 3/4, that piece should be eliminated. So my first cut will be to square it up. Now, although my finished size is 11 1/4, I'm going to add just a little bit of extra material because I still need to clean up the edges and the faces of this board. So I'm going to measure and mark this at 11 1/2 inches and then perform that next cut. I now have one board that measures right at about 5 inches wide by 11 1/2 inches long, which is my oversized measurement. This board is about 1 inch thick, and it should yield me enough material to get both of my bottom gussets with just a little bit extra material to spare.